Yo, what's good, everybody? Thank you for tuning in this afternoon on another closing bell. You know who I am. It's your boy, Mr.Stacks, and you know how we do about this time. We're trying to break it down for what took place throughout the day in the market. Right now, it's about 2:48 p.m. As we approach the closing bell, 3 o'clock. But yeah, we had some exciting things that took place throughout the day. Some of our stocks was winners, while other ones are still trying to make their way up. But for all you new viewers out there, for those of y'all that want to learn how to trade these stocks, how to make some money in the market, those of y'all that are looking to get on board some of these stocks before they actually break out, well, that's what we're trying to do here on this channel. And if you're trying to be in the loop and want to be educated on how we do these technical analysis and these call outs, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and be in the know every time I release one of these videos. For those of y'all that have been following along, appreciate everybody showing love to the channel here, thumbs up and all that. Those of y'all, joining the Discord, I'm willing to chat it up with us live. We're trying to put money in your pocket, and appreciate everybody sharing their thoughts and giving their feedback on what we're doing here. But off the back, y'all, I want to just kind of dive into the charts here. We do have 4 picks of the day up on the chart. Some of them we covered wasn't this morning, but it was yesterday. Sorry I wasn't able to join this morning. I did have some things going on, have my hands in all kind of things, so kind of fell a little late, and I didn't want to provide the video after the market had already started out. So I'm going to try to fill y'all in tomorrow though, but let's just kind of jump into it today. I know it's getting late. And we do have 4 of our top picks up on the charts here. We have Semi, which is Chem Biodiagnostics. We got BBIG, BBIG, Finco Ventures. We also have stock number 3, which is ANY, Sphere 3D. And we have YVR, but not only YVR, I also wanted to cover Zella Technologies. Yeah, we're going to pull you up, and we're going to talk about this bad boy also. But let's go ahead and start from the top, y'all. Semi, CEMI, Chem Biodiagnostic. Yeah, not much happening today on this one here. I don't know if it's me. Maybe I'm calling these shots too early. Maybe I'm too late. I don't know. But as you can see here, we did take a little dip here from where we were closing yesterday, coming down to a low right now of 275. But as you can see here, we're still holding within the trend. I mean, we're moving down little by little, but I'm waiting for a green day. I want to see where a green day can take us here. Looking at the weekly, this is what we're following here. We do have a red week, but doesn't mean that it's over yet. It's still early in the week. I'm still waiting to see what happens here. I know we're pushing down, but we're still holding, a certain level. And I'm waiting for a green day to see exactly if we can break through this level around $3 or so. If it doesn't happen, then that's when I'll be looking to pull out my position. I hate to keep holding these shares and keep diving, but right now I'm still looking at key levels, and until we can break through certain levels that I'm looking at, then that's probably where I'll decide on pulling out from those shares. We keep coming down all the way to this 50-day moving average on the 40-hour. I'm probably going to pull out. That's already getting a little scary for me. But we just haven't seen what I was wanting it to do, and that's kind of what I'm waiting for, is that reaction here. So if we can see a green day, maybe build up some momentum, that's kind of what I'm waiting to see. If we have a green day and we're still not moving, then I'm going to end up pulling out. So that's the plan, that's the strategy, that's what I'm going to stick with moving forward for all of y'all that are, alongside me on the stock. This is kind of the way I'm looking to play this one here. Kind of covering it on some other winners that we had. Well, this is the way that Semi is looking right now, but I don't think it's over yet for Semi as we wait on the COVID testing that they got going on. Maybe we can get something to shoot this stock back up here. But we're going to keep this on the sideline here. We'll keep y'all updated too as to how this plays out. But stock number 2, yeah, be big. You know how I like to do. We like to go big. Finco Ventures, man. This one here, yeah, it's back on fire. Look at it. Came down to a low. We did have a sell-off today a little bit this morning, coming all the way down a little bit under $6, about $5.50 or so. And I called it, y'all. I know a lot of people were having that FOMO. Y'all wanted to get on a little early, some of these other levels, but I just couldn't do it. This stock is real volatile. We know the short interest in this stock, and I just had to wait for it to come down, show me a little bit more conviction here that we're actually going to push up. So knowing that we came down, we hit this $5 right below 6 mark, I felt a lot more confident in buying in. So that's when I took my position. As you can see here on the 30-minute, we came down, and as we started to push up, I said, yeah, I'm jumping on. Got in about 609 or so. and we pushed up to about $8. So we made a good little win there, a little home run, but the game ain't over. The game's not over yet. We got a high of 11.59. We're trying to hit these highs, y'all. I'm not getting out yet. I'm not selling my position. I'm staying. I'm not going nowhere. I'm holding it down. We're going to see what happens over the next few days, but we know the interest involved in this stock. Still seeing a high amount of volume. Excuse me. Still seeing a high amount of volume though. And this is all over, all over YouTube. People are just talking about this left and right. Traders forums. I mean, everybody's Reddit traders, everybody. They're all talking about it. And this one's got some movement on it, y'all. So I'm holding it down for those of y'all that are able to get on. I've been posting videos as to when I called it. You see the green line here, y'all. I called it. This was going to be a bounce. This is what I was looking for. And we're ready to ride it all the way up. Hopefully y'all are able to get in. For those of y'all that weren't aware, y'all follow, subscribe, check out the videos, man. I'm doing this for y'all. I mean, I like to make money too, but I want to share the love. I'm trying to spread it, y'all. I want y'all to put some money in y'all's pockets. You know what I'm saying? This is why I'm doing this channel. That's why I'm putting these videos out, investing my time. I want to spread the love, y'all. I want everybody to make money. It's not all about me. We're trying to make everybody successful here. That's the goal, and that's what we're going to stay to. But yeah, man, BBIG, man, this was a good one, and we're looking to ride it up here. I wasn't able to get up on the squeeze here, but I'm surely going to ride it up on the next one next time around. So I'm holding it down here, y'all. But I'm going to keep y'all in the know. I'm going to keep y'all filled in. We'll see what happens in the after hours as we move into tomorrow, and we'll see where we leave off then, y'all. But yeah, this was a good one. Stock number 3, ANY, Sphere 3D. I've been dropping videos on this one also. Look at this daily, man. Looking real bullish, real bullish. Have a high of 768. We did have that sell-off, but we come down to key levels. They try to push us down. We pushed right back up today. Volume isn't even crazy. We're a little, above our daily average, but not by much. But we're still showing a lot of strong strength on the buy side. And they're trying to sell us off, but the buyers ain't letting us. We know we got a future in this stock. We're trying to break out again as we speak, testing these levels a couple of times, but we're looking to, hit these higher runs here pretty soon. Keeping the volume coming in. Check out the news on here, man. They did publish something earlier today as far as some of their terms. They're probably going to be releasing soon when it comes to their Bitcoin mining deal. So let's just wait on that, y'all. We're waiting for that news, waiting for those updates. But this was a winner again, another home run today. If you were able to ride it down to the bottom, ride it all the way back up, doubling up here if you're already in it, and we're pushing back up again here, y'all would have doubled up on y'all's profit also, man. So this was a good play. You just got to know how to play them. I'm calling these levels reasons why I want everybody to try to, get some shares. Get in on the money, y'all. But checking out this 30-minute, you see we're kind of consolidating a little. We're trying to break out little by little, but it's still holding us within this range here. About 610 or so, 660, 670. So if you're looking to get in, we may come back down and test that $6 range, give or take. I would call that a buy point again. If not, maybe look for it to push above this level here, and you can get 2 green candles to form up on the upside above the VWAP. Can be a potential buy point also as we start to test these higher levels, but we got to break out in order for us to use this level as support here. But yeah, ANY, man, I'm loving this stock. I'm going long on this one, holding it long term, not going nowhere. This is one I'm feeling real good about. I've been holding it for a while now, and I'm going to maintain my position here until we maybe start to curl down or something. But right now the daily is looking real bullish. As you see, we broke through our high, and now we're using that as support. So we probably are going to start to push higher here. Not much to look at on the weeklies. There's not a big history on it. But yeah, man, this is a good one. I'm really feeling this one. All right, stock number 4, Zella Technologies. I know y'all know Zella, XELA. I'm back on board, y'all. We back on board. They had some news drop today. Initiating coverage, some of these analysts, they put a $4 price target, but we already know when there's news out on Zello, this one could start moving. We barely hit 200%, but although we hit a high of 268, they started to sell us off. But hey, Zella moves, man. We know don't let them scare you out of your shares, man. So we're looking to ride it back up. We did, start to recover a little bit, hitting the low, 246 or so, and we're pushing back up 258. I mean, hopefully we can hit these highs again. I'm not sure it'll happen in the after hours, maybe in the pre-market tomorrow, I don't know, but $4 price target, we're calling it. We're following the trend here, y'all. You see, I already got the trend marked. I'm calling 450 or so up here. They're calling 4. Well, I'm going to ride it up to 3. I'm going to break through 3 and ride it up to 4. Got some options on here. Hopefully we can see some movement before the 17th of September, or I might have to just, cut my losses or pull out where I'm at, however you want to call it, man. But I didn't take shares on this one. I bought in options. We're going to try to play some options on this play here, and hopefully we can have another winner. We're looking for a home run. But Zella Technologies, they got the news. Maybe they can post some better news as to what their business and technology starting to, do, or what they're starting to develop, what they're starting to pursue, whatever you want to call it, man. But we on board. Zella Technologies, let's get it, y'all. But appreciate everybody tuning in. We're going to leave it right here today. I'm going to catch y'all back up in the morning, let you know as far as where the movement's at, what's going on with some of our picks. For those of y'all that have been following, those of y'all that are new, we do have the Discord. I'm going to post that in the description below. Check us out, y'all. Y'all want to chat live? Y'all need something we want to dig into and kind of break down real time, to share your thoughts, feedback. It's all welcome. But check us out, and we'll chat again soon. Peace.